Good evening to all of you, Radhe Radhe friends. In this video, we are going to talk about the midbrain and hindbrain. We are just going to talk about the NCERT topics here. So first of all, you have to remember in midbrain, the first thing about its location. So location, midbrain is located in between the hypothalamus, thalamus, and pons, which is a part of hindbrain. So suppose this is your uh, forebrain, then under it you will see the thalamus. Here this is hypothalamus, this is pons, and in between pons and thalamus, here somewhere your midbrain will be located. So this is midbrain. This is thalamus, which is a part of forebrain. This is pons. Between thalamus, hypothalamus, and pons, midbrain is located. There is a canal passes through the midbrain, is called as cerebral aqueduct. Aqueduct. There is a canal which passes through midbrain. It's called as cerebral aqueduct, and it is having the function of to transport the cerebrospinal fluid between third and fourth ventricle of the brain, which you don't have to remember. Just remember the name of the canal, that is cerebral aqueduct. And the midbrain having a four lobe structure here. On the dorsal portion of the midbrain, there will be a four lobe structure called corpora quadrigemina. Corpora quadrigemina. So these three things you have to remember in forebrain. Sorry, in midbrain. Then let's talk about hindbrain now. It is divided into three parts: pons, medulla oblongata, and the cerebellum. Pons, medulla oblongata, and cerebellum. So this is your, let's say this is your forebrain, this is your thalamus, this is hypothalamus. Okay. So somewhere here there will be pons. This is medulla, and here medulla is connected to the spinal cord. Behind it, the pons, you will find a lobular structure called cerebellum. So these three portions, this is pons, this is medulla, and this is cerebellum. These three parts unites to form the hindbrain. Okay, your pons, medulla, and midbrain. Midbrain, this is midbrain. This is pons, this is medulla. All three things will unite to form brainstem. All three things are collectively we can call brainstem. This brainstem helps to join the brain with the spinal cord. So this is your spinal cord here, and this medulla portion is attached with the spinal cord. Okay. So midbrain, pons, and medulla, they are forming brainstem. This is brainstem, and cerebellum is behind. Although it is a part of hindbrain, but it is present behind the pons, the dorsal side of the pons. Then what is the function of all three parts of the hindbrain? So first of all, medulla having some respiratory centers, and cardiovascular reflexes. Okay, respiratory system. Then gastrointestinal secretions. All these are the functions of medulla. Then cerebellum is a very lobular structure. It is It allows so many neurons to uh, present in the cerebellum, and the pons consist of many nerve fibers. It allows brains different parts to connect with each other. So these are basically the functions of hindbrain. Mainly medulla is doing so much things here. Respiratory centers, it has cardiovascular reflexes, it has gastrointestinal, it is helping in gastrointestinal secretions. Okay, cerebellum is providing so many space for additional neurons. Then it is very convoluted structure, and pons is having so many nerve fibers, which helps brain different parts to connect and coordinate with each other. So these are the functions of hindbrain, and this is the structure of hindbrain and midbrain. I hope it is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next video with the next chapter.